Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to stay safe on two-factor authenticator and how to never lose your access to your authenticator. If you can follow this step-by-step guide, you will never lose access to your authenticator app, even if your email got compromised or you lose access to your gadget or to your mobile phone. Right now I'll be taking you to my Mexi because I want to be using it for this example, right? So let's search MET. Okay, you can see it here. That's my Mexi app, and let's go to the home page. So this is the home page, and I want to access I'll click here, then I'll look for security. Where is the security? You can see security. I'll click on Google Authentication this here, then I'll click on Next. As you can see, this is the code that was generated. So this code is the bone of contention for this video, this particular code here. You have to save this code properly. Now, if anything should happen to your email, like your email got compromised and you can't access your mobile device again, or maybe your phone, then this is the only code that will help you to regenerate a code that will unlock this particular Mexi. So you will be doing this for every other platform, website, application, exchange that you have binded your authenticator with, because this is the only way you can regain it. So you have to copy this code and you will click on Next. So I will be going to save this code somewhere safe. So I'll be going to my doc file and I'll click here and I'll save this code properly, right? So I'll save Mexi, MEXC authenticator. Okay, 2FA. I'll click on save. So I've saved this correctly here, right? As you can see, it's correctly saved, right? So I'll now go back to my Mexi. I'll click on get code. Okay, I'll go to my authenticator. Let me bind my authenticator also. I'll click on authenticator. Let me search it. Then I'll click on enter key. I'll click on Mexi. I'll put Mexi as the name. That's the name. Then I'll now enter that code here, right? I hope you can see that. Then I'll now go here and click on get code. As you can see, I will enter the code. Then I will now go and paste this authenticator code that I will be generating. So I will click on add. I will now add it and I will scroll down. As you can see, it has added here. Look at it properly. It has added here. So I will now copy it and go back here. I'll paste it and there you see I've confirmed it. So this particular authenticator has been binded, and that is why it's blue. As you can see, it's now blue, just like the email verification and every other thing. Now I can now go back to my doc file. Where is my doc file? My doc file, and I'll prioritize this particular code. This is the bone of contention for this whole video. This particular code is what I need, right? This particular code, I will save it properly, because if anything should happen to my email or anything should happen to my device, anytime, any day. That is the only code that will help me to access it. So whenever anything happens to my email or my device, what I will do is that I will go back to Authenticator. I can download another one. Even if I can't access the email again, I will just come to enter and I will go back and generate that code. Then I will paste it here and it will regenerate this particular code that I have here right now. So today you've learned something new about Authenticator, that even if you lost your phone, you lost access to your email, you can still regain access to your Authenticator. Please, if this video was helpful, do well to give me a like, a share, and also subscribe. Thank you and see you on the next one. Bye.